So my name's Nathan Lamb. I do BRR. I've got my own renovation company. I've got my own SA management company, so we manage service accommodation apartments for other people, and I do deal sourcing as well.
Okay, fantastic. And tell me where we are today. Tell me what we're doing.
So we're at the Wolf of Wall Street experience with Samuel Leeds and Jordan Belford, learning a lot about sales.
Excellent. What's your key takeaway from the day?
So sales. So I already know quite a lot with sales when it comes to the SA market and deal sourcing. But Jordan and Samuel both got a lot of insight into sales, definitely more experience than me. So it's nice to see how they cope with objections and get around to everything and do sales.
Amazing. And so, are you still on the academy? Have you finished?
I'm an associate member. So
Associate?
Yeah, I'm nearly finishing my second year. Going on to my third year next month.
Okay, and can we talk about the difference in kind of like where your life is now compared to where it was when you first joined the academy?
So before I was a lorry driver, I was earning decent money, about £1,000 a week, something like that. So it was decent money, but working very hard for very long hours, never seen the family and the kids and stuff. So and now I'm financially free. I work for myself. I've got multiple businesses that I'm running. I'm earning at least £7,000 profit every month. So from where I started to where I am now is massive, and it's all thanks to Samuel and his training.
Amazing. And to anyone who's on the edge thinking about coming to the crash course or something like that, what would you say to,
I'd just say if this is something you want to do, you've got to invest in yourself. You either invest in yourself or you pay for your mistakes. It's one or the other. So me, I'd rather invest in myself. I'd definitely recommend other people do that.
Excellent.
Rather than pay for my mistakes.